Today, we will be talking about 3D printing and its influence on business and technology. So what is 3D printing? It's a manufacturing process, and it is also called additive manufacturing. It creates objects layer by layer. It uses computer-aided design software to create three-dimensional products and tangible objects. There are three parts of 3D printers. This includes the digital file, which holds the instructions, the actual printing machine itself, and then the printing material that can be made up of a variety of materials. There are a variety of different 3D printing techniques used for different purposes. The first of these is fusion deposition modeling. This is the cheapest alternative, and it is available to consumers. There is also stereolithography, and it uses a laser beam with liquid resin to print. There are a few others. Some of these include jetting processes, which uses UV light, and that can be used for a variety of industrial purposes. And then there's also selective laser sintering and metal printing, which can be used for welding-like techniques. So 3D printers can be used for a variety of things. The first one would definitely be mass production. It can also be used to create prototypes or be worked in for product development. It can also help with shoe customization. It can create healthcare materials, and they can use it for setup and prop design. So, which countries use 3D printing? The Netherlands is home to multiple 3D printing companies, and this is actually an image of one of the 3D houses that the Netherlands is able to print. Switzerland is also growing in their manufacturing and research segments. And then 53% of businesses in China have started to use 3D printing, and 34% of businesses in the USA have started to use 3D printing, and this is much higher than the average. China, India, and the Netherlands have the biggest budgets and investment plans, and there are other strong countries working in 3D printing, including the UK, Germany, Italy, Mexico, Spain, and Japan. So that is all I have about 3D technology and its influence on business. Thank you.